Richie's Pilot Tips. Part 2 is cockpit organisation, and section 1 we're going to talk about the kneeboard. Kneeboard's a great place to keep all the things you need whilst you're flying along, and we're going to look at some of the options. So here's a couple of kneeboards for you. This is the kind of thing you can buy. It costs about 50 bucks. This is Santiago's. We'll look inside this in a minute. This is my one. I made it, probably cost me about 2 bucks. And let's have a look at the things I think are important for my kneeboard. Firstly, on top of this notepad here, I've created a frequency cheat sheet for the Vancouver area. Lots of frequencies to remember, super handy having that right in front of you. Underneath we've got note paper, write down whatever you need to. Underneath that, I've got a photocopy of CFS. This one's Chilliwack. Particularly when I'm going to new airports, it's really handy to have that CFS information right in front of you, so you don't have to go rifling through that big old book. Other things I have on my kneeboard: pencil. I like to use these pencils. This is an H2B. It draws better on your chart. Use technical pencils, you often can't see the line. Here's an emergency procedures checklist for a C-152. And I've also got a VNC tucked away back there. And finally is my E6B flight computer. So that's mine. Let's have a look what Santiago's got inside his. Similar things. He's got a nice little set of boxes here for altimeter settings, his squawk code, time up, time down, various emergency procedures over this side. He's got his E6B and his normal checklist, and he's got his emergency checklist under here on top of his kneeboard. Very well organized, Santiago. You can spend 3 bucks, you can spend 50 bucks, but that's the basics of a kneeboard, the kind of things you need on your lap. Thanks for that.